Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone is findable and won't turn on. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to turn on your iPhone, you see an error here that your iPhone is findable and it will not turn on. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So very first, let me explain that why it happens. So it happens whenever you try to turn on your phone, whether its battery is still too hot. So you just have to try to wait for almost 10 to 15 minutes to until your battery cool down. Or if you have just inserted your iPhone to charging, whether your iPhone's battery was less than 5%, you have to wait for almost 15 to 20 minutes to until your battery cools down. And once you have waited, you just have to wait for almost 20 minutes to prevent any kind of issue. So after 20 minutes, you just have to press and hold your volume up and your power button at the same time. So let's try this. It might take some time, up to 20 seconds. So you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, your problem will be fixed. You'll not get the issue again. You just have to try to wait for it until it's turned on. And once your phone has been turned on, you have to cool down. You have to wait for your phone until it's cooled down. You just have to wait for up to 5 to 10 minutes and it's charging. So after 5 to 10 minutes, you can easily use your iPhone without any type of issue. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.